The name is Hellcat. If you might be wondering, who the heck am I? Well, you are in luck, human. I am a Weretiger and vampire hybrid. And of course, I do look like a lion, mainly because of the mane. But don't let that fool you. I'm actually a weretiger, mainly because of my tail. And I am also a vampire, mainly because of my red eyes and my very sharp fangs that look like a saber-toothed fangs. And even though I do look fierce, don't let that fool you. I'm actually a very nice guy. I would never hurt anybody, not even a little fly. And you might be wondering, do I bite? Well, I do sometimes, but not really, even though I am a vampire. And also, I am immortal, meaning if you try to kill me, I would never feel any pain and I would still be standing and still alive, still breathing. One stake to the heart. My fur is just built like a tank. When they try to hammer it inside me, the stake would easily just splinter to pieces. The Holy Cross wouldn't hurt me either. Also, sunlight wouldn't hurt me. But the only weakness I got, unlike any other vampires, is, well, simply garlic. Even though it doesn't harm me, it's just I hate the very strong smell of garlic. And of course, to all you muscle car fans, I am named after a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Basically the Redeye edition, mainly because of my red eyes. In case if you see me around, feel free to say hello to me.